Hello, physics enthusiasts. Welcome to our IBDP physics journey. Let's explore motion and equations step by step. Hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Great. Let's begin with the engage stage of learning. Viewers, please pause the video now and take a moment to think about a personal experience you've had with a moving object. It could be something as simple as riding a bike, throwing a ball, or even a car journey. Once you have that experience in mind, grab a piece of paper and sketch it out. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece, just a simple representation of what you remember. This will help you connect with the concept we'll be exploring in this video. When you're ready, hit play to continue, and we'll dive into the explore stage. Before we move on to the viewer action, let's briefly define some key terms. Displacement. This is how far an object has moved in a specific direction. It's the change in position from the starting point to the ending point. Initial velocity. This is the speed at which an object is moving at the beginning of a time interval. Final velocity. This is the speed at which an object is moving at the end of a time interval. Acceleration. Acceleration is the rate at which an object's velocity changes with time. It can be positive, speeding up, negative, slowing down, or zero, constant speed. Time. Time is the duration over which these changes in motion occur. Now, viewers, please pause the video and take a moment to think about how each of these factors, displacement, initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, and time, affects each other. How do changes in one factor influence the others? Write down a brief summary of your thoughts. This will help you grasp the interplay between these concepts, which is crucial for understanding physics. When you're ready, hit play to continue, and we'll move on to the explain stage. Before we proceed, let's introduce you to the four equations of motion. V equals U plus at S equals UT plus 0.5 at squared V squared equals U squared plus 2 as S equals 0.5, U plus versus T. Now, viewers, let's connect these equations to your personal experiences. Think about the moving object you sketched earlier. How do these equations relate to what you observed or felt during that experience? Take a moment to ponder this. Next, let's assemble these equations. See if you can arrange them in a way that makes sense to you. Think about how you can use them to solve problems related to motion. Finally, double-check your assembly to ensure it aligns with the correct equations. When you're ready, hit play to continue, and we'll move on to the elaborate stage where we'll dive deeper into using these equations. Example problem. Imagine a car starting from rest and accelerating at 2 meters per second squared for 5 seconds. Calculate the car's final velocity and the distance it traveled during this time. Pause the video and try yourself before the answer is revealed. The car's final velocity is 10 meters per second and the distance it traveled is 25 meters. Now, viewers, your turn. Please pause the video and come up with your own physics problems using these equations of motion. You can post your questions and answers in the comments section below for others to try and solve. This is a fantastic way to practice and deepen your understanding of these concepts. When you're ready, hit play to continue. In the evaluate stage, it's essential to reflect on your understanding. So, viewers, take a moment to consider, do you now feel confident in applying the equations of motion to solve problems related to motion in physics? If you have any lingering questions or concerns, remember that I'm here to help you. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Also, be sure to turn on notifications to stay updated on upcoming live streams, where we'll be addressing your IBDP physics homework questions and more. And for those of you who are eager to tackle more complex problems, we've got you covered. Check out our problem walkthrough video in the description below. Your support means a lot, and we're here to assist you on your journey to mastering physics. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.